let's have this item. What is 25% of 448? Okay. So, para masagutan natin tong item na to, kunin natin yung percent. So, we have 25%. Convert natin to decimal by moving the decimal point 2 places to the left. Okay, so magiging 0.25 siya. Tapos yung word na off, okay, it can be translated as multiplication. So 0.25 times 448. So let's multiply 0.25 times 448. That will give us a product of 112. Ayan. So to answer this item, it will be letter A, 112. And that's it. Ta-da! Alright. Okay, let's have this item. Eloy bought a motorcycle jacket for 975 pesos, which was on sale at 35% off. What was the original price of the jacket? So, para masagutan natin tong item na to, first, let's have a representation of what we are looking for. So, since hinahanap natin dito is yung original price ng jacket ni Eloy, okay, we will represent it as let X be equal to the original price of the jacket. Ayan. So, lagay natin dito yung variable X natin. Next, according to the problem, nabili niya to ng nasa 35% off. So, ibig sabihin ng 35% off, yung original price na 100% pinawasan ng 35%. Okay? So, it will be translated as 1 minus 0.35. Yung 1 dito is the 100% of the price minus the 35% na discount. So, 0.35. Yan. So, kinonvert na natin siya to decimal. So, nabili ni Eloy yung motorcycle jacket for 975 pesos. So, ito yung magiging equation natin. So, X, original price, times the 35% off, which is translated as 1 minus 0.35, it is equal to 975. Yan. So, nakuha na natin yung ating equation. Let's solve for the value of X. So, 1 minus 0.35, unahin natin yon. That is equal to 0.65. Then, let's divide both sides by 0.65 to isolate the variable X. So, cancel na natin to. Tapos, 975 divided by 0.65, that is equal to 1,500 pesos. So, to answer the question kung magkano yung original price ng jacket, ayan, it is equal to letter P, 1,500 pesos. And that's it! Ta-da! Alright. Okay, let's have this item. Red intends to gain his mass by 30% so that he will weigh 90 kilograms after a year. What is his original mass? So, para masagutan natin tong problem na to, let's identify kung ano yung hinahanap natin. And according to the problem, we're looking for his original mass. So, let's have a representation for that. So, gawin natin ng let X be equal to the original mass of red. So, lagay natin dito, X yung ating hinahanap. Okay. Then, let's read our problem. Red intended to gain his mass by 30%. Ibig sabihin, gusto niyang madagdagan yung weight niya by 30%. So, mag-i-increase yung weight niya ng 30%. So, to translate that, gain his mass by 30%, yung original weight niya, which is 100% of his weight, madadagdagan pa ng 30%. So, we will translate it as 1 plus 0.3. So, 1 plus 0.3 will be the translation for gain his mass by 30%. Now, pag nag-increase na ng 30%, yung goal niya is ma-reach yung weight na 90 kilograms. So, it will be X times the quantity 1 plus 0.3 is equal to 90. So, yan yung magiging equation natin to solve for the value of X. Let's combine 1 and 0.3. That will be equal to 1.3. Then, Let's divide both sides by 1.3 to isolate our variable x. And divide 90 and 1.3. Magiging equal siya to 69.23 kilograms. So to answer this question, what is his original mass? So it will be letter B, 69.23 kilograms. And that's it. Ta-da! Alright. Okay, let's have this item. 420 is 60% of what number? So para masagutan natin tong item na to, we're looking for a certain number. So let's have a representation for that. Okay. So let x be equal to the number that we're looking for. Okay? Tapos translate natin tong word problem na to into equation. So we have 420. Sulat natin yan. Yung word na is can be translated as an equal symbol. So magiging equal symbol yan. Tapos yung 60%, okay, convert natin to decimal. So it will be 0.6. Then yung word na off, it can be translated as a multiplication symbol. So times. Tapos we are multiplying it by the number that we're looking for. So yung representation ng number na yan is the variable x. So if we look at our equation, magiging 420 is equal to 0.6 times x siya. So yan yung ating equation na gagamitin to solve for the value of x. Okay, so let's solve by dividing both sides by 0.6. Okay, para ma-isolate natin yung variable x. So we will have 420 divided by 0.6. So that will give us a quotient of 700. Therefore, to answer our question, what is the number? It will be letter A, 700. And that's it. Ta-da! Alright. Okay, let's have this item. 30% of 850 is what percent of 500? So, para masagutan natin tong item na to, focus muna tayo dun sa statement na 30% of 850. So, kopyahin natin yan. 30% of 850. Then, let's translate it to an equation. So, yung 30%, pwede natin siyang i-convert to decimal to 0.3. Yung word na off, translate natin siya to multiplication symbol. And yung 850, kopyahin lang natin. 850. Now, let's multiply 0.3 times 850. That is equal to 255. Now, yung 255 na yan, ilang percent siya ni 500? So, ang gagawin lang natin is i-divide natin si 255 by 500 to get the percent. Now, 255 over 500, para mas madaling i-divide, i-simplify natin. So, they are both divisible by 5. So, divide natin sila by 5. Magiging 51 over 100. Now, let's divide 51 and 100. That will give us a decimal answer of 0.51. Now, convert natin to percent kasi hinahanap natin is percent. So, 0.51 times 100, that will give us an answer of 51%. So, to answer this item, it will be letter C, 51%. And that's it. Ta-da! Alright. Okay, let's have this item. 56 is what percent of the number equivalent to 20% of 35% of 8,000? So, para masagutan natin tong item na to, let's focus our attention dun sa last statement na 20% of 35% of 8,000. So, kopyahin natin yon and let's try to convert it into an equation. So, yung 20%, pwede natin siyang i-convert to 0.2. Yung word na off, that is translated as multiplication. 35%, magiging 0.35. Yung word na off ulit is multiplication. Tapos yung 8,000, kopyahin lang natin. So, we will have 0.2 times 0.35 times 8,000. So, multiply natin yan. That will give us a product of 560. Ayan. Now, according to the problem, nakalagay dito is 56 is what percent of 560. So, ko-convert natin to 2 fraction. So, yung mauna will be 56 and we will divide it by 560. Ayan. So, kukunin natin kung anong percent yan by dividing 56 by 560. So, let's try to simplify it first para mas lumiit yung number. So, since they are divisible by 56, magiging 1 over 10 na lang siya. Tapos, let's divide 1 over 10. That will give us 0.1. And yung 0.1 na yan, okay, convert natin to percent by multiplying it by 100. So, 0.1 times 100 is equivalent to 10%. And to answer our problem, it will be letter A, 10%. And that's it. Ta-da! Alright. Okay, let's have this item. Terry is 15% heavier than Jake. If Jake's weight is 75 kilograms, what is the weight of Terry? Okay, so para masagutan natin tong item na to, alam natin na ang hinahanap natin is yung weight ni Terry. So let's have a representation for the weight of Terry. So let's have X being equal to the weight of Terry. So lagay natin dito yung variable sa ating equation. So according to the problem, yung weight daw ni Terry, which is X, is, so yung translation ng word na is equal symbol. So is equal to 15% heavier than the weight of Jake. So yung 15% heavier, yung weight ni Jake plus 15% nun. So that will be translated as 1, yung weight ni Jake, plus 15%. So, it will be translated as 1 plus 0.15. Tapos, yung weight ni Jake is given also, which is 75 kilograms. So, we will multiply it by the weight of Jake, which is 75 kilograms. And that's it. That will be our equation. So, X is equal to the quantity 1 plus 0.15 times 75. Yan. So, let's simplify. So, 1 plus 0.15, that is equivalent to 1.15. Then, let's multiply 1.15 and 75. That will give us a product of 86.25 kilograms. Therefore, yung weight ni Terry will be, letter C, 86.25 kilograms. And that's it. Ta-da! Alright. And that is it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, recommendations, suggestions for my next video, please leave them in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. And for more videos like this, you can go to my channel, Teacher Justin. And that is it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.